Microsoft Fabric continues to evolve rapidly. In this video, we'll cover the January 2026 Microsoft Fabric update, highlighting the most important features across data engineering, analytics, security, and AI. Let's get started. Number 1. Agentic AI and ecosystem expansion. Microsoft Fabric is expanding its ecosystem with a strong focus on agentic AI and community convergence. With the acquisition of Osmose, Microsoft is pushing toward automated data workflows that turn OneLake data into AI-ready assets. At the same time, community events like FabCon are bringing Fabric users closer to the product roadmap and best practices. Number 2. Smarter catalog experience. The Fabric catalog is now smarter and cleaner. You can understand the purpose of items without opening metadata, group related items to reduce clutter, and even view AI-generated summaries. This makes large enterprise Fabric environments far easier to navigate. Number 3. Fabric meets you where you code. Fabric now integrates directly into developer workflows. With the Python SDK, Visual Studio Code integration, and notebook connections, developers can manage resources programmatically and edit notebooks remotely. Fabric adapts to your tools, instead of forcing you to change how you work. Number 4. Robust CI/CD and secure configuration. CI/CD in Microsoft Fabric has become more robust. Git enhancements now support enterprise cloud requirements, and item reference variables remove hard-coded identifiers. This ensures cleaner deployments, safer configurations, and better environment consistency. Number 5. Granular control and immutable audit trails. Security and governance are now more granular. Fabric introduces granular APIs, mirrored item security enforced at the OneLake layer, and immutable audit logs. This ensures enterprise-grade control with tamper-proof auditing. Number 6. Eliminating the Spark wait. One of the biggest improvements is the elimination of the Spark startup wait. With high concurrency mode, Spark sessions now start in about 5 seconds instead of minutes. Multiple jobs can share a session, drastically improving performance and cost efficiency. Number 7. Automated SQL performance tuning. SQL performance tuning in Fabric is now automated. Result set caching delivers instant results for repeat queries. Statistics refresh automatically, and T-SQL merge is now generally available. This brings warehouse-grade optimization with minimal manual tuning. Number 8. Secure streaming from edge to cloud. Fabric strengthens real-time analytics with secure streaming from edge to cloud. Private networking, MQTT-3 support, and production-ready connectors enable reliable real-time data ingestion at scale. Number 9. Faster access, simpler syntax. Querying data is now faster and simpler. Accelerated shortcuts allow time-based filtering, freshness control, and direct table-style queries. Complex external table syntax is replaced with intuitive, readable commands. Number 10. Natural language becomes the new query language. With Copilot integration, natural language becomes the new way to query data. Users can write KQL using plain English, generate dashboards, and query shortcuts across formats like Delta and Iceberg. This lowers the barrier for analytics across teams. Number 11. Expanded Data Factory connectivity. Data Factory expands its connectivity ecosystem. Fabric now supports incremental copy across Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, Amazon RDS, DB2, and ODBC sources. This enables truly hybrid, multi-cloud data movement.